It's me. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Victorinox Boy Scout Black Edition. First thing we'll get right into is small blade. It's about an inch long. It's quite a nice knife. I wouldn't tell you anything special about it except it's stainless steel, but now on to the next one. This one's about 2.5 inches long, and the whole knife is not lockable. So, it's okay. I've never cut myself on it. It's a real nice knife. Now we have screwdriver / can opener and notcher for cutting seat belts. Right there. Now we have a a can opener with a small screwdriver at the end. Now we will go on, and toothpick came right out. Tweezers, I still have. Tweezers actually stay in there quite snugly, but that thing just pops right out every time. Phillips head screwdriver, I mean it goes down to maybe 0.1 in size. It has a lot of leverage because you get the whole knife instead of just that much, like a lot of knives are. Now we have the leather punch. It's basically the same as the screwdriver. You have a lot more power, or hitting power with like a hammer or something. But that's going to be my review on the Black Victorinox Boy Scout. See ya.